What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Guys, we finally have another twin pack in the collection, and this is a rather old twin pack, but I had to get this because of the Plymouth Superbird right here. So yeah, so this is a twin pack. It consists of two cars, obviously the 1970 Plymouth Superbird right here, as well as the 1970 Roadrunner. And the other reason why I like this is because you guys can see, or if you guys have noticed, look at the paint job on this. So this is blue on orange, this is orange and blue, and I think it's very nice to see them as a pair. Obviously in this car it came with these other two twin packs, and you guys know the GTR twin pack is, you know, it's something that has crazy resale value in the market. It's really very high, even the Mustang I think. But we've got this, the twin pack, and we're gonna do a quick unboxing on this, just because I kind of like the Plymouth the Superbird. I think it's a really nice car, and my obsession started off with obviously Cars, the movie, right? King's vehicle especially, and I think the wing on this is what makes it so special. I think the massive wing, or the obnoxiously big wing, I think it's really very nice. Let's just try to open the entire plastic out real quick, and then we can get along with the vehicle. There you go, yada yada yada, and there you have it, guys. So obviously it does come with, you know, a second plastic protective piece right here, and we're gonna dive right straight into the two vehicles. Obviously we are gonna start with the Roadrunner first, because we want to save the best. We want to save the best for the last. So here you have it, guys, the 1970 Roadrunner. And I'm not a huge muscle guy, I'm gonna be honest with you. So to see this Plymouth Roadrunner, I must say I'm quite impressed, because it does look like a decent old school muscle car. It's big, it's bulky, it's got bigger rear tires in the front, which is a very iconic thing. We've got Goodyear tires, as you guys can see. The wheels been amazing, well, very nicely done rims as well. It says Plymouth right there, 76 decal right there. Got a bunch of sponsor stickers over here as well, Goodyear I believe in the front. And if you look at the front of the vehicle, we've got a metal base obviously, and a metal grille, and then we've got metal, I mean the headlight temples, you know, they are like cut out on the metal bit, but it's not painted, so it's giving off a very old retro old school vibe kind of stuff. Obviously we've got the hood, we've got the hood pins, or at least a painted on pins, you know, on where the hood pins would go. Left side of the vehicle exactly the same. Wheels, they spin amazingly well. I mean, Hotwheels premiums, they at one point in time they didn't spin well, but I think now they actually have put in a lot of thought and effort, and it does spin well. It's very well done, I must say. Obviously the Goodyear decal right there, a bunch of other decals right here and here. We can see the interior as well, ever so slightly. I mean, the opening is big, but I mean the interior is all black, so you really can't make out the details. Obviously we've got the Goodyear written on the tires as well, and then we've got Plymouth. And then if you look at the rear of the vehicle, obviously you've got it has dual exhausts, right, 1 and 2. We've got a very nice painted rear light temple right there, not much to see on the top. And then if we, all right, let's just go into it. So obviously the top, it says 76, which is the number of this car, right? And then it is blue top, so the top is entirely blue, and to differentiate, obviously you've got a orange circle and then the blue writing right there. And if you look at the base of the vehicle, it's an all metal base. It's a decent amount of details, I must say. It's not the best, not the nicest, but it has a decent amount of details, so I think it really makes this car nice. And without further ado, guys, we're gonna move on to the 1970 Plymouth Superbird. And this is one of my favorite, almost more favorite castings, to be honest. And check it out. I mean, all right, let's just go on and over with. So we've got Plymouth decal, Plymouth written right there. We've got Goodyear's decal right there, Union's decal right here, a bunch of decals here, 76 right here. Get the Spirit, another few decals right there. Wings, they spin amazingly well. The rims on this are also nice, if you guys can tell. And then obviously they've got the same Goodyear tires as the Roadrunner, right? And like I mentioned to you, look at the difference in color, the color scheme. So this goes from blue to orange, and this goes from orange to blue. And I think that is a very nice subtle detail. I think I missed it on the first round, and I only noticed it recently. And I think that's something that there's a very nice attention to very small detail that I think a lot of people would have missed. And if you look at the front of the vehicle, obviously we've got the ever so small splitter right here, Union's decal right there, 76, get the Spirit, Plymouth right here where the headlights go. And then we've got this amazing huge bonnet, very iconic vehicle. And on the left side of the vehicle, exactly the same as the right. Not much details, not much difference, to be honest, except yeah, there isn't any difference at all. It's exactly the same. Obviously, the Goodyear tire on the tire wall. These rims, I don't know how I feel about the rims, honestly. They look nice, but I'm not really excited for them, you know what I mean. And obviously we've got 76 right there. Get the Spirit. We've got a bunch of decals right here. Union, Plymouth at the rear over there. Goodyear once again. And obviously we've got the huge wing. But before we get to the back, I just want to show you the top of the vehicle. Obviously we've got the 76 right here, right? And then we've got 76 right here. And they actually kind of made it facing on the right side of the car, not on the left side. Not the same direction as this. I don't know why. But it is what it is. And obviously we've got Union right here, Jonesy, and it says the same thing right there as well. And if you look at the rear of the vehicle, obviously we've got the dual exhaust tip right there. 76 written right here, this huge spoiler, and I think that's the elephant in the room, right? I mean, she's huge, guys, this spoiler, and it really adds a lot of flavor and taste to this vehicle. So let me know in the comments below, guys, how do you think about this car? Or how do you think about this car? Do you think these are worth collecting? I think they're worth collecting. Even though I'm not a huge muscle guy, I will still collect muscle cars, you know, just to have that variety in my collection. And I think muscle cars like these, old school muscle cars, I must say, they are what's worth collecting. And just like that, guys, we're going to do fairing shots, and I'll see you at the end. Just like I guess we've come to the end of the video. I guys, an amazing. I should have mentioned unboxing this car. It's gonna go in insanely well in my collection. So obviously you guys know that I actually usually would display them on the 48 case display slot on my shelf right here. You guys can see. I apologize for the video, it's a bit blurry, I know, but instead of that, what I'm gonna do is, for this, I'm instead gonna display them in this different shelf right here. Now I got this from Hotwheels JB all the way in Johor Bahru. It's a very good friend of mine from Max, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna display them. So obviously you guys can see there's Lightning McQueen, there's King, there's a mainline variation to the Superbird, and we're gonna put this right here. It's a perfect fit. And the other reason why I don't want to put it in my display case is because it does not fit. This car is actually quite long and doesn't fit, and obviously just for its continuity, we're gonna put this one right at the top over there. I think it looks really amazing. Let me know in the comments below if you guys agree. Obviously you guys know my team transport lineup. I have a few more team transports coming in a video sooner than you think, but that's for another day, that's for another video. Obviously we've got an acrylic dust shield right here, which we are gonna put it on to protect the vehicle. But just like that, guys, this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.